How to start selling on Amazon in 2026. What if one simple product on Amazon could make you over $100,000 a year, even if you started with zero experience? It might sound unbelievable, but thousands of people are doing exactly that right now by building an Amazon FBA business and selling product on Amazon. And here's the surprising part. Many of them did not start with huge amount of money. For example, Sarah Johnson started her FBA business with just $500, selling a unique kitchen gadget. Within 6 months, she scaled it to over $1 million in revenue. Her journey proved that even a very small initial investment can grow into a serious online business. So the real question is, how are ordinary people building businesses like this on Amazon? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start an Amazon FBA business step by step, including how a beginner make money selling on Amazon, how to find profitable products, how to set up your Amazon seller account, and how some sellers grow their stores into six-figure online businesses. Make sure you watch until the end because later in this video, I will also share a bonus strategy that successful Amazon sellers use to rank the products faster. Most beginners completely miss these steps, and it can be the difference between a product that fails and one that generates thousands of dollars in sales every month. So if you want to learn how to make money online with Amazon FBA, let's get started. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about online business, side hustle, and passive income. Why Amazon is a huge opportunity? First, let's understand why Amazon FBA is one of the biggest online businesses opportunities today. Amazon is one of the largest online marketplaces in the world. Every year, the platform generates more than $600 billion in sales. But here's something many people don't realize. More than 60% of those sales come from third-party sellers. That means regular people like you and me are running online businesses and building passive income stream on the platform. This is why Amazon FBA for beginners has become one of the most popular ways to start an e-commerce business. With Fulfilled by Amazon, Amazon handles storage, packing, shipping, and customer service. That means you can focus on growing your online business while Amazon handles the logistics. Let's dive into some real Amazon success stories so you can see just how big this opportunity can be. Craig Adam, a former construction worker, started selling simple kitchen tools on Amazon. Within his first month, he generated over $19,000 in sales, and just 5 months later, his store was making more than $30,000 per month. Today, his Amazon business has grown into a six-figure brand. Next, Sam Ruda started with a modest investment and identified a high-demand niche product. By focusing on marketing, branding, and scaling her inventory strategically, she turned her small startup into a full-fledged Amazon brand, generating over $1.2 million in annual sales. Finally, Tanya and Tom began with retail arbitrage, buying discounted product locally and resell them on Amazon. Through smart sourcing, reinvestment profit, and building an efficient sale process, they grew the FBA business into a multi-million dollars operation. These stories prove something simple but powerful. You don't need a huge capital to start. What really matters is the right strategy, the right product, and the right mindset to treat your Amazon FBA business like a professional brand. Step 1. Create your Amazon seller account. The first step to starting your Amazon FBA business is creating your Amazon seller account. Go to Amazon seller website and register as a seller. There are two types of account. The individual seller account is free, but Amazon charges 99 cents per item sold. The professional seller account costs about $39.99 per month, but it allows you to sell unlimited product. Most people who want to build a serious Amazon FBA business choose the professional plan because it's allowed them to scale the online store faster. Step 2, find a profitable product. The next step is product research, which is one of the most important parts of building a successful Amazon FBA business. Successful sellers look for products that have high demand, low to moderate competition, opportunities for improvement. Many sellers use Amazon product research tools like Helium 10 to find product people are searching for. For example, simple items like resistance exercise bands can generate hundreds of thousands of dollars in monthly sales on Amazon. This shows how even simple products can become high profitable e-commerce businesses. Step 3, how to find a supplier. Once you find a product idea, the next step is finding a supplier who can manufacture it for you. Many Amazon sellers use platforms like Alibaba to connect with manufacturers. Those suppliers can produce product in bulk and ship them directly to Amazon warehouse. When choosing a supplier, you should always compare several manufacturers, look at the reviews, pricing, and communication speed. It's also a good idea to request product samples before placing a large order. This allows you to check the quality of the product and make sure it meets your expectations. Successful Amazon sellers often negotiate prices with suppliers to increase the profit margin. Even a small difference in cost can make a big impact when you sell hundreds or thousands of units. Step 4, create your own brand. Instead of selling generic products, successful sellers create their own Amazon brand. Most sellers work with manufacturers to produce the product and customize them. For example, instead of selling a generic item, you can create a product designed specifically for a certain audience or niche. There is a popular saying in e-commerce business: the riches are in the niches. When you focus on a specific audience, it becomes easier to stand out and build a successful Amazon FBA brand. Step 5, use Amazon FBA. Now, let's talk about the system that makes this business model powerful. FBA means Fulfilled by Amazon. With Amazon FBA, you send your products to an Amazon warehouse. When someone buys your product, Amazon handles product storage, order packing, shipping, customers, and returns. This system allows sellers to build a semi-passive income business online. Step 6, launch your product. Once your product is ready, you create your Amazon product listing. A strong listing includes a keyword-optimized title, high-quality product images, bullet point explaining product benefits, SEO keywords customers searching for. When your products start getting sales, Amazon algorithm pushes higher in search results. Higher ranking means more visibility and more sales. Tips and tricks for beginners. Here are 3 tips that can help beginners succeed with Amazon FBA. Tips number 1, choose products that solve a real problem. Tips number 2, invest in high quality product photos and branding. Tips number 3, always research demand before investing money in inventory. These small strategies can make a big difference when building a successful Amazon FBA business. Bonus strategy, don't miss this. Here's a powerful strategy that many beginners overlook. Before launching your product, start building an audience around your niche. You can do this through social media, content creation, or online communities related to your product categories. When your product launches, you already have people interested and ready to buy. This can help your product rank faster and generate more Amazon sales. Starting an Amazon FBA business is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is one of the most powerful make money online strategies available today. And if you want to keep learning proven strategies about Amazon FBA, online business, and passive income, Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. I post videos every week showing step-by-step ways to start and grow an online business so you don't miss opportunities like this. If you find this video very informative and you learn something, don't forget to share this video so that way that video can get 1,000 likes. And don't forget to subscribe again to the channel. And I'm not asking you for anything in return. Thank you for all your support. Remember that your support is your fuse to this channel so we can grow together and let's make money. And I will see you in the next content. Thank you for watching. See you. Peace.